kasama natin ang ating bida player of the game, ang angas ng tondo na si Paul Lee with 17 points, 2 out of 6 from the three-point area and perfect from the free throw stripe. Paul, it's 2-0. Ano ba yung driving force nitong unstoppable momentum ninyo?
Siguro yung yung defense namin talaga yung nagdadala sa amin. Yun nga, kailangan lang namin magtulong-tulong. Then of course, yung streak namin, malaking bagay din yun. So, yun.
And definitely, Ginebra will try to make a comeback sa Game 3. Paano ba dapat paghandaan ng team ninyo yun?
Kailangan lang namin maging ready. No? And of course, kailangan namin dumepensa ulit. Yun lang naman yung magpapanalo sa amin every game. So, yun. Tingnan namin kung ano yung makikita naming adjustment tomorrow sa practice namin.
Paul, definitely your fans and your loved ones are very excited to see you and watch you play. Take it away.
Binabati ko yung wife ko, si Ruby, family ko, and of course, family ng wife ko, si Angie and Molina family. Of course, yung mga taga-Bulacan and mga taga-Tondo. And of course, yung mga Star Hotshots fans. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Kita-kita po tayo lahat sa Game 3.